What nonsense were you discussing with Fidelis Okoli?
The truth he needed to know.
What the hell do you mean by that? What nonsense truth? Does it mean you cannot learn how to mind your business and stop dabbling into the things I do?
And when, if I may ask, Daddy, did you start having issues with the truth?
Listen, if this is what you have become, if this is what you are going to be doing, then I will advise you, in your overall interest, pack your things and relocate and go be with your brother.
Oh, okay. So
it is not funny.
You're now tired of me being here because I want things done the right way?
What the hell do you know about something being right or being wrong? Whatever I do in Njikoka is my business. Stop getting involved in my affairs to the extent of approaching any of my political affiliates with any element of insult. If you do that, I will kill you. And when I kill you, I will bury you secretly before anybody knows you are missing.
Wait, Daddy, did I hear you well?
Stop getting involved in my affairs.
Did you say... Why can't he be a decent man of this land? Why must it be my own father to be the tyrant? Dad!
Doing evil in the name of politics.
I do not want you to be having altercation with her. Please.
She's always coming to me. And that's because you refuse to put her in her place. I mean, do you want to marry two women at the same time?
Hey, come on. Why are you talking like that? Who is talking about marrying two women at this modern age? Huh? I don't just want both of you to start fighting.
Just leave us alone. I'll give her her own peace.
Hey, come on. My angel. The woman of my world. The center of my joy. The queen of my heart. The center of my joy. Odumnobi. I know what you can do, okay? But please, let her. I mean, you guys are not in the same category for you to stoop so low. The exchanging word with her or just trying to bring yourself down to her level. You're not of the same category. Come on.
Okay, I've heard you.
You see? See why I said you're the best. Let me tell you something. Good women always listen to their men.
Yeah, that's true. Why won't I listen when I have a good man? Are you eating now?
I kind of want to eat later, but because of what you've just said, I think I am hungry.
Okay. I'll get you your food.
Okay. Come here.
Your Royal Majesty. Please, may you be seated. Thank you. Your Royal Majesty, Ezenjiko of Njikoka. This is the new chairman of Njikoka Local Government Council.
He is not yet the local government council chairman, Chief Okata. It is when he go out there and face the race. If he wins, When you address him as a chairman, then it will make sense.
Well, Your Majesty, you have a point. But for me to bring him here will show you that he is my anointed candidate. As my anointed candidate, he has been scrutinized by me, and I know he is the one we need for the transformation of Njikoka local government area. I just brought him here so that you can give him your royal blessing.
Well, Chief Oliokata, nothing good comes from you. Why bring him here when you're already addressing him as a chairman?
Your Majesty, you just insulted me, but I'm going to let it slide because you are king. I know that you are not my fan. You don't actually hide it. It is very clear. But does it mean that when you see something good coming to the kingdom where you rule, that you are not going to accept it? Because you're not somebody's fan? Fidelis Okoli here is the one we need in a time like this to transform this, our local government council. I just want you to give your royal blessing.
Chief Oliokata, I don't need to give him my royal blessing to get a ticket. He should face the crowd. If he wins the race, then his clean hands is already open. That determines if he is losing or he is winning.
Your Majesty, you are not treating me as a subject here. If you're having problem with Chief Oliokata here, are you also having problem with me?
What kind of business are you doing?
Your Majesty, I'm into importation.
As an importer, what development have you brought to this land?
That is why I'm here. I am here to transform this community, to take this community to the next level, Your Majesty.
Brilliant. Very brilliant.
If truly you are an importer, why are you here contesting for the position of chairman? It's obvious that whatever thing you are doing is illegal. You're looking for cover-up.
Your Majesty, I take exception to that. I don't understand. Why are you drawing conclusions when you lack information?
Chief Oliokata, this boy is trying to hide under your guise. And that's not the kind of chairman we want.
Why are you saying so many things all at once, Your Majesty? Do you know me as one of those men that can easily be associated with failure? What is this?
Chief Oliokata, I have not said that. I have equally decided not to interfere in this forthcoming election. Our people are already waiting for their candidates to hear from them, and they will choose who to vote. This election is for the people. I have only one vote to cast. One vote.
You see the way they are doing evil in the name of politics.
Huh. Now I understand this. So you have been the one deceiving this young man to contest with me. Eh?
To my best of knowledge, Chief Oliokata, I don't think you've bought form for this election. Have you? So why then are you saying anyone is contesting with you?
I need you to go and mark it somewhere. I have never lost on anything I am running for. It never happened.
So by this, you're saying that you're actually the one contesting through this tout that everyone have already rejected. Huh?
Mr. Man, be careful with your utterances. Who are you referring to? As a tout? Who? I am asking you.
You know what? I don't have your time. Come on, let's go.
The conspiracy is becoming very obvious. I am going to ground these people to a halt.
Your Majesty, I greet you once again. I brought my friend here to seek your blessing.
Your Majesty, I know it's almost a taboo for someone like me to appear before the king empty-handed. Igwe Njikoka of Njikoka. So that is why I've sent some money to the palace secretary for further remittance to you. Well, I'm case of
Thank you very much, my son. You have done well, my son. In all honesty, I am not expecting anything from you.
Your Majesty, please, do not decline. He's just following the tradition.
Well, like I've already told Chief Oliokata, this forthcoming election is all about the people. I've already decided to allow the people make their choice.
What is the problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? If you cannot bear the heat, then get out of the kitchen.
I will not leave the kitchen because I am the woman in the kitchen. You have lit up that heat, so we have to bear it together. I'm not leaving, I'm the woman there.
I did not send it to her. So if you have any altercation with her that leads to embarrassment, then it's your problem. It's not my problem. It concerns you. Allow me to have peace in my house now.
I will not give you that peace because you've decided not to give me peace. I need my peace. Just give it to me. That's all I ask. Why are you doing this? I mean, is it a crime to love you? Is it a crime?
You cannot blackmail me. You cannot blackmail me and do not push me. Do not push me to the point I'll be the person to push you out myself. See, I only allow you to exhibit your madness. Okay? But when you're done with it, you can go on your own. Do you know my name? Pankati. No one toys with me. Do you understand? Oh, or do you think I do not know what you're up to? Is that what you think?
Come back. Why are you doing this to me? Is it a crime for me to love you? Babe. Babe, I'm so sad. What are you talking about?
I hope all is well. Yes, all is well. No, I'm surprised to see you.
I heard you people are going on campaign rally soon.
Oh yes, the king instructed that every candidate should face his people and no one should undermine the choices of the people.
I need you to tell Michael Anosike to get more security. You never can tell what will happen.
Oh no, one thing you don't know is that Chief Oliokata can be so stupid to stop the rally.
We are talking of a chameleon who openly said that he's a man of many faces.
I do not care. I don't care if he's a man of many faces, but what I know is that Chief Oliokata cannot stop the rally.
Pankadi, if you ask me, you know who is right. All we are trying to say is for you to be extra careful.
I thank you for your concern. I really do appreciate. Thank you. What are you talking about?
I am only saying that you should be careful with your candidates. You have stepped on Chikoliakuta's toes so many times.
I'll keep doing that till he realizes that Njikoka is not his inheritance. He's just part of us, like others.
You both are battling for supremacy. You know if his candidate loses, he will lose his relevance forever. And you know Chikoliakuta will never allow that to happen.
And you want me to start bothering you because of that?
I
need you to be extra careful. I handed the Black Dragon to you and you were such a reliable commander. Even as you decided to quit the confraternity, I still feel I owe you this information. Be very careful. The ground is slippery for you.
It's okay, thank you for the piece of advice. But remember, I am Pankadi, and there is no going back. Have a nice day.
What is this idiot's poster still doing everywhere? What is our boys doing?
Honorable, it boils down to the same thing I told you. We are slacking.
Yes, you're right. Just that I don't want to apply any negative edge in this election.
You cannot win any election in this country without that negative edge. The system is already rigged. So, if you must win election in this country, you must rig what is already rigged.
You're right. I love that word. Rig what is already rigged. Beautiful word. And that is what we are going to do. But before then, make sure you dismantle all the posters. I don't want to see them again.
Honorable, it's never a problem. I will just do exactly what you have ordered me to do.
Beautiful, beautiful. I trust you.
And I must do my best to make sure this election you win your vote.
You motherfuckers! Look them! Okay! So, I'm gonna put this nonsense. What did we do? Honorable Michael! Anosike, God punish him! Punish him! You will never win an election! You will never win an election! In fact, fuck you! Look at this man! Oh yeah, chase him! Chase him! Let's chase him! I said chase him! Chase him, bro!
Bro, Jesus. Hope you know they are from Chief Oliokota.
Yeah, I know. But why is this so interesting about this one now, eh? You're not even contesting for the election. Eh?
As for me, I am going.
I don't understand. Wait. Nobody did that one now. Eh? Guy, we need our money. Half of the money you don't give up. You still need your own money now.
You can stay, and finish the job. As for me, I need to listen to my mother who asked me to go back to Onitsha.
You can go. For me, I'll go and play that job and collect the money. They there. Hey!
When I was warning him about Chief Kata, he was adamant about it. Just look at... God, I hope my dream doesn't come through. God, please. I feel he's in trouble. God, please. Can you just connect for once? Baby.
You have to confirm this for me. It's all over the news. What really happened there? Is he alive or not? What do you mean you're not certain about... How is it possible that you can't tell me if he's alive or not? You need to find this. I need to know what exactly that happened there. Please. Fine.
Tell me Pankadi is inside.
How do you mean? He went for this campaign thing, you know that. So how is it that he'll possibly be here now or appear at this place? How?
But you've seen the news everywhere.
More reason you should go out there and search for him. Not staying here.
Look, I've searched for him. As a matter of fact, I tried calling his lines, but all to no avail.
So you don't have anyone you can call that knows maybe what exactly happened there or can tell you his whereabouts?
That's the point. No one. Let's... You know what? I'll be right back.
Wait. Can I come with you? Where are you going? Wait.
For God's sake, you're only supporting a candidate. Must you put your life to it?
Thank you all for... I appreciate you all for worrying about me. But I'm fine. I'm back now.
Look, if this has gotten to the point of shooting guns, I'll advise you back out. Pankadi, you have a future ahead of you.
You see, Oyemelukwe, when you find out that your future is being rigged and you sit without doing anything about it, the future will come back and you will discover that you're nothing. You just discover you're nothing. This battle is for the future of the kingdom of Njikoka. And I will not allow it to be rigged again.
I totally understand, okay? But I'm worried about you. You have to be very careful. And most especially with that chief, Olokata. You know it's very dangerous. He can go to any length. Any length just to destroy you. Pankadi, my question is this. Must you put your hand in his face? You and I know that that man has connections.
The touts who became rich by embezzling our commonwealth thrive by intimidating our people. He has done it for years now, as if we are conquered people. But his time has come. I will not allow it. I will see to it.
Are you aware that you're going to regret this?
Babe, what is wrong with you? You cannot tell me that you did not see my calls and how worried I was. But instead, you decided not to take my calls?
What happened in Njikoka yesterday has never happened before. I was only trying to make sure that everything and everyone was fine.
Can you stop this politics already? You are okay the way you look. Babe, stop before these people kill you. Stay away from them.
Men who are desirous of change do not fear death.
Are you for real? You are going to make me your wife. And you already see yourself as a target to be killed?
Babe, come on. Come on, stop this. Stop talking like this, okay? Nothing is going to happen to me, okay? Because I'm fighting a just fight.
Babe, why? Why are you so stubborn? Why are you inconsiderate? Have you thought about what will happen to the people who love and cares for you? If something bad happens to you, have you thought about me? How much I love you?
Babe, I gave an example to drive home my point. Nothing is going to happen to me. Okay? Nothing is going to happen to me. Okay?
Can't you stop?
Come on.
Someone finally decides to walk out.
The guts of you always showing up at my house unannounced baffles me. Are you not scared of what I can do to you?
You can't do anything to me. Absolutely nothing. I'm very sure of that.
I see. Can you be civil enough to tell me why you are here?
I know why you're doing all this. Tagging along. I know. And it's not your fault. It is poverty. To do the unimaginable things just to live up to the life. Just to live up to the lifestyle. And it is okay because I understand you. I know, okay?
Listen, I do not have luxury of time. If you don't have anything meaningful to say, if you don't want to tell me your reason of coming to my house, I am going to get busy with other things.
Wait. Here. Take a look at it. Go on. Open it. I need you to stay far, far away. Far away from my man. Not even close enough to be able to perceive his cologne. Cash this check and be gone for good. That's all I ask. I'm being overly generous here.
I was never wrong about you. This is so poorly of you. 2 million naira? Are you this cheap? Now listen, let me warn you. Stupid girl. Stupid girl.
Meet me at the usual spot right now. I do not intend to repeat myself. Meet me right now.
Do you understand what you're saying?
Do I look like I'm joking? You know me too well, Opanka. I do not joke. The player has refused to play the ball, so she has to leave the field. Delete her completely.
I hope it will not escalate.
Of course, if you do a quack job, it will escalate. But I know you to be professional in your jobs. So do it.
That's not the response I expect from you. You know what I'm talking about.
Oh, Panga, waiting now. Waiting they worry you. Do this clean job. Are we going all over the same issue?
This is not the response I expect from you.
I beg I they go.
Wrong timing. Wrong timing. No one is here. I'm the one here. I have checked everywhere. There's no one here. There you go again. Why do you like unconventional style? Why?
Thank goodness. Hello, babe. I'm not fine. I think I'm in danger. I believe someone is coming after my life. I'm outside. I managed to sneak out of the house. Yes, I just want to be somewhere and then send you the address so you can come get me. Please, I need you to come right away. Okay, that's fine. Yes, I'll do that now. You see, just look around. I told you someone is after my life, but you do not believe me.
Babe. Just calm down, okay? I've already called off the camera, okay? I have the footage of the invention. I'm handling it already. Please.
Just look at it. Have you seen it? Someone wants me dead.
Hey, just listen to me. I need you to calm down now. You've worked up yourself a whole day. Please, just calm down. See, we're going to arrange this place together, okay? But you need to rest. You need to take a shower and rest. Please.
You still want me in this house? Is this house even safe?
For now, please, just calm down.
Wait, what nonsense are you talking about? Eh?
I am saying there's a new development. You have to put on hold on anything that have to do with Pankadi and his woman for now.
Why will you say such to me? Why? You're not done with the job. You're meant to do the job first. Get it done. That's the instruction.
There are some men involved in it now, and I can't continue. And I told you that we have to put on hold for a good reason.
Which you haven't even mentioned. What is the reason?
Madam, have a nice day.
Really? Oh, this is it now? Okay. Have a nice day. Nonsense.
I think it's time I involved Chief into this. I mean, why will Opanka disobey my instructions? Is he all right?
Thank you. Action.
You sent for me.
Yes. Someone wants to speak with you. Hello? Okay, the stupid guy is here, the idiot is here.
I'm loyal to you, my commander. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Alpanka. So you have the gut to invade the house of a girl whom you know she's my babe. Opanka, you actually forcing me on you. If I react, if you finally push me to the wall, I will do what you not like.
I'm sorry.
Better be sorry for yourself. Get out of my car.
Ah! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody...
It's coming already. Yes.
Please. Sir,
Hold on, I'll call you back. Hold on.
You need to take me away from here. Please take me away
Who is after
from
you?
There are a group of boys. I don't know who they are, but they're after me. No. Where are you going? No, please. You don't need to go. We need to leave now. Do you have a car? Please, we need to leave this place now.
Come.
Please, thank you, sir. Hi.
I hope you're more stable now.
Yes, I guess so. Thanks.
You're welcome. So, who were those guys after you?
I really do not know. I'm confused. If I had stayed one more second there, they would have abducted me. I don't know.
It's alright. You're going to be fine, okay? Yeah. Maybe we're going to make a report at the police station tomorrow.
You are God sent. I appreciate. Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay, now that you're better, I have to go now.
No, please. I mean, don't go. I don't know. I'm scared and overwhelmed by the events of today. I don't want to be alone. Please.
Wow.
Hey.
What is going on here?
Well, I went into your kitchen and I saw some recipe. So I thought to myself, what would Tubas of Yam be doing here if not that he is a yam lover? So I had to prepare yam porridge for breakfast.
Oh, thank you. Oh, the aroma alone. The aroma.
Really?
Oh my God, babe.
Come on.
Babe.
I just hope you like.
I had fun last night and this morning again. See enjoyment in front of me. Wow.
I hope you like it. Oh, you will like it.
G porridge.
Oh, you love.
Damn.
Oh,
come on, let's pray. Let's
All
pray.
right.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Father, oh Lord, we thank you for this beautiful food with good aroma. Father, we thank you. We praise your name. In Jesus' mighty name we pray.
Amen.
I can't wait.
I know, right?
Wait.
So rate me from 1 to 100. Woo!
Hey, babe.
Hi, darling.
You going out?
I just want to get home and pick a few things.
What do you want to go and pick? I mean, I've gotten everything you wanted for you. So, what else are you going to pick? Or are you tired of staying?
Oh, no. How can you say that? How can I be tired of staying here? Of course not. And thank you very much for all you got me. I just need to get home and pick up the stuff I don't have here. But I won't take long, okay? I won't take long.
Just know that I'm missing you already.
No. Don't worry, I'll be right back before you start missing me.
Just send me your account number so I'll transfer something to you.
Oh, darling, you're such a darling. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, see you. Thank you, baby. Bye.
Bye. She doesn't strike me like others.
Chief, no matter the urgency, you shouldn't be calling by this time of the night, Chief.
Listen to me, Ngozika. I own you and I can call you anytime I want. I thought that idiot is in our town. I needed you to come to me now. I am craving
Right now,
to eat you raw.
I'm sorry, Chief. It's not possible, all right? He's around and it's risky. You just have to manage yourself, please. Chief, you are already distracting me from the mission. All right, good night. Oh my God, this man should allow me to do this job now before he's going to implicate me in this retired Capone. What's all this? God, can you imagine the time? Yes, Chief, I just saw him off. I've been meaning to ask, for how long are we going to be doing this? I know the instruction and I still remember it. Find a way to get into his house, of which I'm inside here now. I've found my way. So for how long am I going to be here? Because I've been here for close to what? 1 month?
You have been there for almost a month, and so what? Listen, you need to remain there because I need you for something useful. You are going to be useful when the time comes. So remain there.
Okay, Chief. But all I'm asking is, I just need to know the time frame.
The mafia has no time frame. You may end up living there for almost 1 year. Listen, I don't want that young man dead. I would have killed him long time ago if I wanted him dead. I need him to be alive for something that is very, very useful for me. So remain there. Monitor him every step of the way and give me information.
All right, Chief. I'll keep giving you the information you need. I'm already here, so I'll keep you posted.
Good. Now, you must not make the mistake of falling in love with the target. I am going to turn you off myself if that happens.
Love? Chief, there is no love in a dictionary of a mafia girl, so there's nothing to worry about. I have it in check. Speak to you soon, Chief. Bye.
Thank your stars that you know.
He needs him alive for something big that is coming. And what could that be?
Chifolia Kata is her boss. She's a mafia girl sent for a mission. I'm still trying to unmask her.
This is insane. Hold on. You have this negative information about someone and the same person is still living under your roof? What kind of a man are you?
I'm a man that is always one step ahead of negative-minded people. Always.
You know what? I don't envy you at all. Honestly. For you have too much enemies.
Yes, if you do not have enemies, then you're nobody. One liked by all does not exist. I want you to understand that. You must have enemy. Drink up. Why am I seeing your bag?
I'm leaving. I'm leaving this house. I mean, everything is stressing me. Your attitude, me staying here and receiving such ill treatment. I just need to go. I'm stressed. I need to go clear my head or something. Just go out. Take a break.
Ngozi, just calm down, okay? It hasn't gotten to this point. Look, I understand the situation of things, but trust me, just bear with him.
Onyemelukwe, it has even gotten worse. I'm sick and tired of staying here. I need to leave. I mean, it's all he has ever wanted. You can take a look at him. He's quiet. He's not saying anything. So it's fine. He has gotten it. I'm leaving.
Wait, hold on. Guy, why are you not saying anything? Ngozi. Why are you quiet? What's going on? Huh?
I am a look. If you had succeeded in stopping her, I would have asked both of you to leave.
Seriously?
Yes.
Trust me, this is so not nice. I mean, you've got a girl who truly loves you. A girl that is ready to stand by you. Tell me, what more are you looking for? Look, Bankadi, this time and era of life, what girls actually want is your wealth and whatever you can offer. But yes, Ngozika, all she demanded from me is just your time and care, affection. Why you?
My guy, listen to me. Be careful of what you envy. All that glitters is not gold.
I don't understand.
I decided to keep it mute so I understand where this is going. Ngozika is not who you think she is.
Wakey. Good morning, baby.
Babe, good morning. Oh my God. I hope I'm not late for my work.
Not at all. I won't even let you get late. Do you know what? Go into the shower while I get you a nice outfit.
You know, that's why I always say you're just the best.
And I'll remain fat for you. Okay, up. Wiki, yeah. Hey! You look cute.
Oh, it's your choice. And it's perfect.
I know. I'm glad you like it.
Thank you.
Breakfast is ready. Come have breakfast.
Babe, I'm going to be late for this meeting. Please.
Hey, you have to eat.
I am going to
You just take a
eat.
seat.
I'll eat when I come back, okay?
Alright. You know what? When you return, I'm feeding you breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Deal.
Deal.
Love you.
I love you too, babe. Good luck. I'll just eat. What are you doing here? And how did you get in?
I still have my keys, fool.
What do you want?
What do I want? I came to see my boyfriend. Yeah, since you've decided to share the same man with me shamelessly. Bring it on. You're welcome. I mean, I'm generous.
Your boyfriend? Can you hear yourself? Are you this stupid? Are you this worthless? Why are you in a place where you're not wanted? Can't you just save yourself some respect? Listen, since you've decided to stay in here, I pray you don't cross my path. Else, I'll crush you, right? And ready to explain yourself. Once the owner of this house comes back, be ready to explain how you got in here. Stupid.
Hey! You're not going anywhere. You're staying here. You want to crush me, right? Get ready. Woman to woman, speak to me. What are you doing here? Are you not ashamed of yourself? I just left for a little while, and what did you do? You packed your cursed self, your cursed luggages to take over this house. It's not working out. Not under my watch.
Listen, I do not have luxury of time to spend with you over your madness, alright? Respect yourself. I don't want you trouble, right? I can do better than this. Get out! Excuse me! Silly girl.
Fidelis, why are you obstructing my way?
I intend to be peaceful today.
Good for you. But you've not answered my question. Why are you standing firmly before me?
I want you out of the race. How much have you spent so far? I am ready to pay you 500%.
Let me pretend like I didn't hear you. Let me excuse your ignorance. But I want to make something clear to you. Fidelis, I've made money before politics. So if you think that I am as cheap as you are, hell no! I am not! And there is no way I am going to disappoint the people of Njikoka by stepping down for a low-class thief like you.
Young man, mind your words.
Or you do what? What can you do? No, I'm supposed to be afraid of you. Because you go about harassing people, humiliating people with your hungry-looking thoughts. And you think you can do the same to me. Yeah?
Like I said before, I am peaceful today. Think about what I told you.
Fidelis, there is nothing. I mean, absolutely nothing to think about because you've not made a point. You're not making sense. Out of my way before I I get the community vigilantes to bundle you and give you a dose of your own medicine.
Michael Anosike.
That's my name.
I am not afraid when I sleep with a widow. Bacchus, I know where the husband is. Mark my word. Definitely, I said definitely, not under probability, I am going to win this election. And after that, I will put you and your so-called village vigilantes where you belong. Mark my word. Have a nice day.
It's only in a failed community a tout like you will match king. All right? We shall see. I am promising you one thing. This election is going to be free and fair. It is going to be free and fair. All right? No rigging. No sorting. I am a man will be watching.
When they play God, they go they from say they be your guy. Say without them, nothing go happen for the kingdom. And them they from say, not them.
In one short sentence, what are you doing here?
How can you be asking me that question? How? Why would you be asking me this question in the first place? Answer him. He asked you a question that you've evaded. What the hell are you doing here? I don't know why you gave this thing the effrontery to stand in my way. Well, you know why I'm here. I'm here to see you, of course, you know.
Do you feel you have what it takes to destroy a man like me?
Hey, Pascal, you're hurting me. Come on.
You're just very stupid by still calling me Pascal. Are you crazy? Now listen. Next time, do not barge in on me the way you did today. Because if you do, you have yourself to blame. Hope I make you well.
Oh, please, please, don't even say that. For you know that you can't even intimidate me with whatever you say now.
Now take your bag and get out of this place.
This is my place, and there's no...
And nothing, you fool. You know, I overrated you thinking that by now, you must have developed the brain to know when to get out. Do you know what? Get out before I unleash the demon in me. Get out now.
Why can't you hold this rump you've been sampling? Like, really? Why is she...
Huh? You should really hold that. I mean... Wait. Listen, baby.
Ouch.
Listen to me. Wait. Why are you pushing me? Babe, don't get yourself worked up for unnecessary things. You know I got you.
I'm sorry about that.
It's nothing.
Are you sure you are not in love with this young man?
In love? No, Chief. How can you even say that? I'm not in love with him.
Because I don't understand what is going on. Why in this world will you go to his place to confront him? Why? I am already considering you a failure. I gave you a very simple task and you cannot deliver that.
Chief, I only went there to make everything look real. In case he was suspecting me. That's why I went there.
That your strategy is unknown. And I feel so disappointed that you are telling me that is your strategy. Listen, stop going to that place to go and do nonsense. Because if anything goes wrong, I am not going to become involved in any way.
Chief, are you upset with me now?
Stop giving me that. Because do you know who you are talking to? You feel I don't know what is going on? I gave you a task Simple task. Go stay very close to this young man. Get me information so that when I strike, it will be on point. You left that, went to that place and fell in love?
No, Chief, I'm not in love with you.
Stop arguing with me because I know what is playing out. Be guided. Be guided.
I know you are still feeling bad over what happened earlier. But if you'll listen to me, do not allow that to bother you at all.
That's why I say you're simply the best. Thank you for understanding.
You're welcome. But come to think of it, is this how she's going to remain in our lives?
How can you say a thing like that? I told you I'm already putting her in her place. The reason for letting her hang around is no longer making sense.
I do not know what you plan to do. But are you aware that she has the key to the entrance of this house? She can patch in on us anytime.
Babe, I've already changed all the keys. Like I said, the reason for allowing her to stay here is no longer working. As it concerns that idiot, Chief Uliakata. But it's no longer working, so she needs to be thrown out.
Please throw her out. I am no longer comfortable sharing my space with a lady with such a criminal presence.
Stop stressing yourself, okay?
Ngosika, I have thought this over and over and over again, and I came to the conclusion that it is not right for you to abandon this mission at the peak of everything.
Chief, I feel he now knows I'm linked to you. Staying there will only do me more harm than good.
You don't have anything to be worried about. My men are everywhere.
Chief, your men are outside. I'm the one staying in the house. And who knows if something goes wrong, I'll be of more danger before help comes to me.
Okay, what about the other woman? I mean, the other woman who triggered the whole of this problem.
Chief, I don't even know what to say about her. I mean, she is so classless for me to dabble in her stupid affairs.
Says the one who I sent on a mission and she went there and started falling in love. Says the one who went fighting another woman because she forgot who she is.
Chief, I did not forget. Exactly what I did is part of the mission.
Listen, don't argue with me on this. Because had it been you stayed focused, had it been you stayed on the mission without allowing nonsense come in, you would have concentrated on what I sent you to do, getting me facts and getting me information.
Chief, she is a major distraction.
And that is because you have allowed your emotions to becloud your sense of reason. That's it.
No, Chief, there's no emotions attached. I'm still on point. I'm still on the mission, and trust me when I say that I am going to get it done. I've never failed, have I? And I can't begin to fail now.
Oh. You are still on point. I got it. I believe you. Okay then. Meet me in my room.
Chief, I'm on my cycle. I remember you said I should never let you come close to me if my cycle visit.
When they play God, they go they from say they be your guy. Say without them, nothing go happen for the kingdom. And them they from say.
Come and see it on yours. Come and see this. Come and see this. Imagine this insult. How could this useless son of Njikoka tie this political banner on the palace gate? Does this palace look to him like the headquarters of any political party?
That boy do not have the mind to do this. This is the handiwork of Chief Oliokata, and the reason is very well known to me.
My king, there is no reason cogent enough for him to do this. I feel someone should go down for this. This is an insult to the royalty, and I feel someone should go in because of this.
Don't allow this nonsense to distract us. He planned for me to say a word, but I will say nothing. He's a fool. The best answer to a fool is silence. Guards! Guards! Come and take this nonsense out of this case.
Them they from say. Now them own the kingdom. But this set of people of Habana, they
That's nonsense.
Nonsense. Don't see it, Donyeze, as if I've not been listening to you. You see, but in the face of this insult, silence is not the best option.
Oh no. If I call Chief Oliokata now, what will I be telling him? Sometimes it's better to make those who feel they know you to realize that they don't even know you at all.
I understand you perfectly well, Onyeze. Do not think I don't. But I feel...
Please, Ugezu, let us not drag this. Trust me when I say I know what to do.
Whoa. You see the way they do change.
Who are you, please?
I am talking to you. And why you dress so casual like someone who is at home? And what makes you think I'm answerable to you? A polite lady would have greeted first before requesting for an introduction, don't you think so? Uh-huh. So, dear polite lady, should I take that to be an insult?
She's my guest. Yeah, she is here. Okay? She is here for me as my guest. Do you have a problem with that?
I should have known. I know, yes. Anyways, good evening, Daddy.
Good evening and welcome back.
Thank you.
Now that you are here, I want to plead with you. Do not create any negative energy around here.
All right, baby. I'll be upstairs.
Thank you. I don't know why you are looking at her like that. Why are you looking at her like that? What kind of look are you looking? Listen, that lady is doing for your dad what you know you cannot do for him. You should be respecting her, not disrespecting her the way you are going.
Daddy, you know, the more I try to convince myself that someday you're going to change into a good man, the more it dawns on me that it would never happen. I mean, it only gets worse. Good night, Daddy.
Don't create any negative energy when you get up there. I told you already. It is expecting me to change. A man who has already hijacked Njikoka and has made even the king to be answerable to him. A man who is living the best of his life. She wants the man to change. Change into what exactly?
Okay, I like that idea. Oh, yeah. You know, there is still one candidate who did it. And one cannot tell what Shifuri Akata is capable of. Yeah? You know,
You may be right. But on the other note, I will tell you to forget about that man. Yes, just go ahead and start making preparations for your victory speech. As a matter of fact, your manifesto speech needs to come out heavy.
I'll do just that.
Of course.
I'll trust me on that.